we find these keywords? Well, Seller App have got a wonderful tool. There are other softwares out there as well. And it's about getting one that you really like and, you know, really using it for its value. You can find new category keywords for the particular category you're selling in. We're getting rid of sort of the bad keywords and looking at negative keywords that you don't want in your PPC campaigns. Maybe out of category keywords as well. But we've got to test all of these and we've got to do it early. So you need to be researching now, ready for when October comes along. Because I've noticed already that people are shopping early, and I think because of last year and the worry about getting your presents in time, people are going to be shopping again early this year. So it's important to test those keywords. There's also no need to repeat any keywords. So it's just a waste of a keyword. So don't repeat a keyword that maybe is one of your main keywords in your title in the back end keywords. And then, like I said before, don't use brand keywords of your competitor in the back end. Amazon just don't like it.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.